Hi there, Tiffany here, and I am just going to do a quick unboxing today. So I got this cool little package from the clothing company Witchy Hollow, and I do like to support small businesses, so I'm really excited to do this unboxing or unpackaging here today. And their clothing theme, it's all pop culture. It's all Halloween themed. So if you're looking for something cool for spooky season, they're a good place to go to. So all right, so I will be opening this with you today. So here goes. Okay, so as you can see, there's this really cool packaging that they have here. I just wanted to show you that because, like I said, it's all spooky themed. It's Halloween, and like I said, they do have some pop culture, usually kind of retro pop culture, I would say, from maybe the early 2000s on down. But let's get to opening this. Okay, so what I got from them over this past weekend, they were doing a special for it was like 5 mystery shirts and 1 mystery tote. So I have the package open right here. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, so here's the tote. Okay, so they put everything in the tote, it looks like. So, ooh, cool. I got some freebies here too, some extras. Okay, so haunt you later. Is this a post? Yeah, it's a postcard. Oh, look at that. So cool. Love it. Get nice 10% off my next order. Fabulous. And, oh, look at this. So, got some other, now these are just some extras that they sent me along with the order. And this is the tote bag that they sent me. Very cool. Block party, #1 neighbor. I love it, love it, love it. So, but what's in this little freebie bag here? All right. Cool. So this sticker, haunt you later. Same as this guy right here. Same as the postcard. Love it. And so shark bait. Oh, this is because they're also doing new body care stuff too. So that's a sample of their shark bait corpse cream, which is body lotion. So essentially, and last but not least, in this cool little spiderweb bag, I got this. Oh yeah, this really cool haunted house button. All right, cool. So those were some of the, because they do send you some freebies, basically with each order they throw in a little something extra. But okay, so what's in my new tote bag? What shirts did they send me? All right. Okay, so this is the first shirt. All right. And this is from Hocus Pocus. Sanderson sisters, love it. All right, so that's the first shirt. And now I got, so there, oh, Scream, Ghostface, love it. And a purple shirt. Very, very, very cool. All right, and what else? So that was shirt number 2. So live, laugh, and toaster bath. Oh my goodness. All right, and then this one, let's watch horror movies. Very cool, in a cool green. I like the color green. And look at this. Okay, coffee and coffins. There we go. Love it. All right. So yes, those are my 5 shirts. All right, so that was my Witchy Hollow unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll actually put a link to their website in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to subscribe because I will be doing another review here very soon. So yeah, but I will catch you later, and yeah, have a fabulous day. All right, bye.